a little sticky.
Put your coat in.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna have you try it.
All right.
It's like not pulling in all the way. Not throwing it in so far. Try to fix this broken. I got the cylinder out, and this little burr right there was catching and not letting it come out. We got to replace it. That lever, open, should work. Alright, so we got this replaced.